Welcome to this experiment. And this experiment will demonstrate that light has wave nature. So as I go close to this plane, this glittering plane, then it confirms wave nature of light. And just notice the pattern formed in the clip. Look at the tiny particles. They are glowing. As I go close to them, then see the pattern. Like wave. Can you see the pattern? Slightly like interference pattern formed, and also analogous to the phenomena when we drop any stone in the water, then disturbance takes place. And just analogous to that, there is pattern is made in the video. Just see everywhere same pattern. As I go close to that tiny particle, then they are like wave nature. That's it. So this experiment confirms wave nature of light.